don't know why. I'm just a little boy lost in the moment. I'm so scared. I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I know. Have to let it go and enjoy the show. The sun is high in the sky, just like a giant spotlight. The people follow the signs, and even as it's time, it's a joy. Nobody knows they got the ticket to that show. I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is amazing. Love is a riddle. Life, so it's nowhere to go. Can't do it alone. I've tried. I don't know why. Hi, my name's Lucille, and that song was just called The Show. Aloha.